everyone, this video is about the assignment for making connections. So what you're going to do is you're going to review these slides right here. They go over what a connection is, how to make it, and why you want to make it. Once you're there, you want to go to iLit and log in, and then you're going to go to assignments and then go to iPractice. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here's my homepage of iLit. You're going to go ahead and get yourself logged in. You have all that information, you have it bookmarked. Then you're going to come down here and go to assignments, click on it. Once you are in assignments, you're going to go to iPractice, and you're going to find the one that says making connections. You'll also see an inference one in here, but that's for next week, so don't even worry about it. I'm going to click on making connections. Okay, so remember, a connection is the experience that you bring to the table, what information you have. And what you're going to do is you're going to read this phrase or this passage, and then you're going to answer these questions. So it says, no detours, said Anna. Your trips usually tend to end badly. I'd rather we all stayed close. That way I can keep you out of trouble. Okay, so it's asking you, what type of adventures have you had with your family? Okay, and then you're going to put your information in there about your family. Then it's going to ask you, have you ever had a fun adventure turn bad? Tell me about it. Have you ever had an something unexpected happen on an adventure? Tell me about it. Once you have that in there, you're going to click submit, and then you're done. Take care, guys.